Got this van out here I'm trying to fix. If you guys can see it, it's a GMC Safari. Anybody know how to fix it? I'm out here trying to fix it. I don't know. Like, I've been trying to start it for about 10 minutes now. I can't find shit. Hey, what up, Eric? You know how to fix this van over here? Let me flip the fucking camera for you. Yeah. So we got for you. What? Yeah, my fucking van won't start. This is a piece of shit. I don't know, sometimes it rains and it doesn't start. But I'm tired of buying fucking lemons and shit and getting screwed over. Like, it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it. What's up, Vera Willem? I'm trying to figure out how to start this fucking van though, cause it's hella shit. But yeah, I'm about to go pop the hood real quick. Trying to figure it out. No, GMC. Like, I'm trying to start it, but it just rained yesterday, and it won't. I know there's water in the tank. Hold on, let me go try to start it for y'all. Y'all can hear it. I'm gonna put y'all up right here. Okay, and I'm gonna go start it. Go in the car and start it. Be easy. I'll be right back. I'm about to start it. Y'all can hear it. Y'all think that might be the battery? Or what? 'Cause I don't know what it is. Y'all know any ideas? Yeah, I don't know. No, GMC, brother. GMC. I don't know how to do it. Starting motor. Yeah. Oh, battery? You think so? You think I just need a jump or something? Because that's what my wife said. But the lights in the car, yeah, I can turn the lights on. If I turn the lights on, does that mean that it's... Yeah, I can turn the lights on and the radio and it still turns on. Like, it's fine. So you think it's probably... It's not battery? Yeah, shit. Fuck. Did you think it's something expensive? Like... Hold on, I'm gonna start it up for y'all one more time. Put it up here. Okay. Right in the center. I'm gonna start it up. If it was battery, it would make a clicking sound. Starting. So the starter or the whole motor? You need the whole damn motor? Shit. Alright, I'm gonna do it for you one more time. It makes like kind of a clicking sound. Kinda. So about that, you think it's just weak or the battery is weak? But probably definitely just the starter. Is there like a quick way I could fix it? Quick way I could fix it, like if I bang on it with a hammer or something? I need like a quick, cheap way to fix my car. What if it's stolen? What? Oh, the car? I don't know. No, I have the papers and everything, so it's not stolen. It's not stolen. You probably like, why does this guy got a GMC Safari? About to pop the hood for you guys. Hold on, let me go in the car and pop that hood. I'm about to pop the hood. Stay easy. Popping the hood right now. Alright. Ah, fuel pump? Fuck. Like, they said there was something with the fuel pump one time. I took it to the shop. And, once I took it to the shop, yeah, that's where my engine and stuff's at. You guys know where the starter's at? Is it over here, over here? I don't even know. Ignition or fuel pump. Anybody know like some quick fixes to fuel pumps so I can get to the mechanic or something? I appreciate it. Appreciate it, the heart. But yeah, I'm gonna try to the connection's probably getting whacked. I'm using the Wi-Fi from in the house, but yeah, I'm trying to see what we got here. It's pretty real. But I guess I'm gonna check the starter and the fuel pump and the ignition strip. Well, I've never changed it since I bought the car and I got it used, so got the car about 2 years ago. Let me show you a picture of the battery, brother. You tell me. You think if I should. Little corrosion. See? It says Rural King. Is there like expiration dates on the batteries? Oh, bang on the gas tank. What if I got gas in the tank already? I'm about to try that. I'm gonna go try to bang on the gas tank, guys. I'm bang on the gas tank real quick. I'm gonna put y'all right here. I'm gonna go bang on the gas tank and try to start it up. See if that works. If it does, Periscope, y'all my guys. Alright, I'm gonna get a little hammer or some shit. Periscope. Alright. Try banging on the gas tank. It's on a hill. You think if I take it off the hill, that it will start? Like sometimes, you know, like you have a car and it's a fuel pump, and take it off the hill, it starts. But I don't know if that's will be the case with this one. It might start. But I'm scared if I take it down this hill. Let me show y'all what type of incline. See how the car's on the incline? And it won't start. Turn it over longer. Like, you mean keep turning it over? Keep turning it over like trying to start it? I've been trying to start out. What if it floods? You think it might flood? If I keep doing that? Or you think I should bang on the sides a little bit more? Or should I bang on like the Cadillac converter? I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna try to call bang on it one more time. Alright. I'm gonna try it. second. I wanna make sure y'all got a good view. Alright, I'm gonna go start it up. I'm gonna go start it up, guys. I'm gonna start the car up. I don't know, it might be the battery. Starter. I'm gonna go bang on the starter for a little bit. Then I'm gonna put about 2 more gallons of gas in it. And then I'm gonna bang on it, put 2 gallons of gas in it, and I'm put a little octane cleaner in there. You think that will work, people? Octane? Oh, everybody fucking left. Yeah, I'm put some octane cleaner in it. If that works, that works. If not, I'm shit out of luck. Looks like I get to work tomorrow. And if I don't go to work tomorrow, I don't get that holiday pay, nigga. Brother. So, the Lord be with us. That's all I can say. All I can say. Throw up some hearts if you like us. You know, follow me, I follow back. Team follow back. Just fixing my car this morning. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully I can get some. Hopefully I can get it started later. You know what I mean?